so,
No,
sir?
no, no. There are many ways. I'll tell you. I'll tell you all the ways. I'll tell you. Okay. Username dot clear. Okay. Username dot clear. Then
Mhm.
hey. Okay. Then this is one way. This is using clear method we have did now. Without using clear method. How to do? I'll tell you that. Username dot send keys keys dot control. Send keys. Done. Clear? Now another way is also there.
Can you explain a little bit how you did that keys dot control? What is this A
Okay.
is doing over here?
Okay. I'll explain. Oh, sorry, sorry. That is my fault. I have forgot to explain. Okay, hold on. Okay, what is this keys? Keys is a enumeration we are using. That means to use our keyboard operation, the keyboard which is present in front of your, like in your laptop we are having keyboard, or in your system we are having keyboard. To use those keyboards, keyboard operation, we are going to use these keys. Okay. Keys enumeration we are using keys dot control. That means all the values which is present inside my keyboards are the static values. See, static values, these all are the static values which is present inside my keyboard. Value, add, alt, arrow down, arrow left, arrow right, backspace, cancel, clear. decimal, and everything is present in my system or not. So these
Mhm.
are the values which is present in my system, or it is present in my keyboard which is present. By
Mhm.
using by using this keys enumeration also, we are going to access all the keyboard constant values. That means the values which is present here are the keyboard constant values. What I did here, keys dot control, that means control and a, both the things I have used at one place. That means control a means it is going to select all. This statement represents select all. The data which is present inside that specific username text field, it will select all. Then again it has changed the word with this specific text what we have sent. Now clear?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So can we use any other key also, like at the
I'll show
means?
you with that. I'll show with you that one only. I was about to show you. See, like I want to username dot send keys. I want to delete everything. Control all. That means first I have selected all. Username dot keys dot delete. I'll delete everything. And I'll enter the data.
Hmm.
This can be
If we
also
have
done.
to use three keys, for example, Alt, Control, Delete, that
Sorry,
way.
Alt Control Delete. That is for deleting permanently, no?
No,
I
no,
thought,
my intention was to know if I have to press two keys
okay.
or three keys together.
Well, like comma, you can give comma and write.
Okay, okay. Multiple commas and comma A, comma delete like that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay. Now I'll be teaching two things here. Okay. I want to delete one by one. How to do it? You tell me now. Okay.
But
First
here
of
I
all,
have, sorry, I have one question. So you select first Control A, okay,
okay. Hmm.
and you delete it.
Okay.
That when because Control A will select whole class, right?
Whole class, not whole text which is present over there
Okay, which is present over there.
in the
But
text
then
field.
after running till line number 29, how
Yeah.
is it running line number 31? Because it's deleted everything. Then how
Ah,
from where this username is
see,
coming
see,
and
see,
it's
see.
sending?
What I have did here? What I did here is I have located this text field. Okay, I have located this text field and stored inside a reference variable as username. Inside that username, what in 28 number, what I did, like I have written here Sumi. Okay, this thing I have done normal, in normal I am doing like how we used to do. Enter data. Then a thread in line number 28 I have done control all. This is the thing what I did. Control A in my keyboard I am only doing. Okay, then what I did, I use user.send keys as delete. I have deleted this one. Got deleted. Again with that specific with that specific reference value, I have sent this data to that text field. That's why it is entering that text. What is the issue with that? No, you're getting or you're not getting again. If you're not getting, say me, I'll explain it.
I'm getting, but I think when I will try, then it will be more clear to me. I'm
Simple
getting.
thing, simple
Uh,
thing. Like I'll tell you one thing. See. It's a text field or not?
yeah.
Inside a text field, control a not representing the codes of the that specific program. I'm not doing like not like this is control a. That means I'm selecting all the data of this program. No, this is not used for that. This is used for the text field, the data which is present
Okay,
here.
okay, okay. Okay,
That
got it.
control a is going to select here only.
Okay, okay.
Through
Okay.
automation or through Selenium, we are going to operate a web page. I am controlling the web page through my keyboard with these statements.
Okay, got it.
Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Till now I have taught you how
Uh,
to fetch the, yeah.
yeah, and if you're using a MacBook, we have to use instead of Control A, we have to use Command A.
Yeah, that
Okay.
is like this. Here we are using controller, you can use that command.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And try once, because I have not worked with Mac.
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just asking the doubt. I'm working with Windows, just
No,
so
no,
that
actually,
control.
I have not worked with Mac. See, if I'll say yes, if someone using Mac, they may face issues. I have
Mm-hmm.
not worked. Try once. It may
Mm-hmm.
work with a command window, but what I think may like, yeah, it will work with command A, because you
Mm-hmm.
that Selenium you have to install for Mac. That is a different jar file.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Because for Windows we are installing CC. Here, what we used to do for Windows, we are installing our automation tool. That means for Mac you will be installing different, and this is present inside your Selenium. That means if you're using for Mac, the like this control will be for command.
Okay. Uh-huh.
That means the values will be changing over there.
Uh-huh. Got it. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, as of till now, we have faced the text, like the tag name we have fetched, we have faced the text value we have fetched, but we have not fetched inside like these values we have fetched, like type is equal to text, id is equal to email. We have not fetched that. See, I'll show you something here. I want what is present inside this tag name, I want to know. Okay. Again, I'll be back to this class, but after this program. Here I'll teach two concepts, then I'll come here. Okay. What I we have to do. My question was, write a script to fetch the attribute of a web page. Any of the attribute which we want to fetch. For example, we have located till username. I want to fetch the attribute of username dot get attribute. Which one we say as attribute? See, anything present which is separated by assignment operator, as of I said. The left side one is your attribute name or properties name. Right side is your attribute value or property value. Get attribute, and it will take argument as attribute name, and it will return you your attribute value. See, what happened? Get DOM attribute, it has changed. Came here. Okay, like just two things I'll be telling here. In some of the version, some means previously I was using with 4.18 or something like that. In that version, this DOM attribute you will not get. In that case, you'll be getting only with this attribute, get attribute. Okay, in version 2.7, like it is getting updated, that's why you're getting as get DOM attribute. Clear? That means this attribute means the like value which is present against this placeholder will be printed in your console. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to print the length of that specific element, like the text or the characters which is present with this placeholder. No, I want to print the like size or the length of that. That is attribute dot length. Okay, length is a method of string. Okay, I have given you here. Okay, see, string कहाँ गया? String equals completed. Like I have completed equals ignores contains equals. Okay, this is the method. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Attribute dot length. This is going to print the length of that specific attribute. Got it?
Sir, before length, could you please write double slash and fetching the length of the characteristics?
Okay. Clear? Now,
Clear, sir.
now my question is another thing. If I want to enter this text value. It's a combination of characters which I want to enter. Okay. Now this text value I will print where? In this text field. Clear? I want to fetch that. How? See. Internally what happens, it will be present like this. I forgot what is that. Just a minute. value is equal to it's not coming. But okay, internally what happens? It will store like this. Okay, it will store if I'm sending any value to here. Internally, it will store like this. That means if I'm going to fetch this value, I'll get this one or not. See,
Yes.
I have entered the value as this. Then what I'll do, username dot get attribute. Inside this attribute, I will pass as value. Like it is a by default for every text value what we are entering, it will be stored like this. Okay. Ah, see. That means in this in the reference value of attribute 2, this will get printed or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute. Should get printed. Why not? Mm, no, it's not. It is that only.
So I think you used attribute to locate that text
Hmm?
string.
But I'm printing attribute 2 here. No. But
Oh,
it's the printing here. This one is getting. Why I'm not
so
getting this? Just a minute. not get attribute is not, it will not work here. So, actually, this get DOM attribute is now updated. Previously, it was not there. That's why, see, we have to use only get attribute method, not to get DOM attribute to fetch the value.
So what does this DOM attribute does
See,
here?
actually, DOM I'll tell you. I don't know what is this DOM actually. In HTML CSS, we are having DOM file. DOM file means it's a hidden file which will be working at the background of the web page. We say that as DOM file. Okay, but this get DOM attribute is now introduced in 4.27, but previously we are using only get attribute method, the method which I have used in get line number 23. Okay,
So it's that not taking it here.
where
Yeah.
it is not taking, that's why it is
Like,
like it is like a line is present at the top. No, that means it
mhm.
is outdated. If I'll install with the previous version, see, I'll show you.
I got it, what you're saying.
If
So in
I'll
the
install
other
with,
codes you have written, it was working there? Like the other we have like get tag, other Java programs.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Why
Ma.
it will work? Okay. Actually, with 4.27, it has get updated with a method called as get DOM attribute. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But why I was saying is like you got to know like what I want to tell here. That means the text which is present here, I want to fetch that. So using this method, I have fetched. But my question is now, if this value or this character is present in a text field, I want to delete one by one like this from the text field. How to delete? Tell me the answer of that. Got my question? Write a script to delete the character
Ragama.
from the text field one by one. How? This is the assignment
Okay.
for take it or you say me now.
Uh, I don't,
Sir, I think after entering that value in the field,
Okay.
then moving backward,
How?
uh,
I'm asking that.
backslash double dot.
Black slash double dot. No.
can we write a for
Can we use
Sorry.
Using
keys to
length command, you know how much is the length, and then go for the for loop and do the backslash over there up till the.
Correct. Right. You are absolutely correct. That is the concept we should use here. See, username dot get attribute as value. That means here we got the attribute as the value which is present inside this we got here. Okay. Attribute dot length attribute dot length Then okay, in for what I'll write, Prachi?
If you want to start from the end, then start from the full length. Otherwise, integer equals to 0. Yeah.
I want to start from the first or last. Which one you say me?
We can start with the 0. Yeah.
No, no. I'm not saying that. If I want to start from the starting, how to do? Like
Yeah.
I
I
want to
equals
delete
to
from
0.
here, like this.
Yeah. I less than length. So maybe we can assign the attribute length to a specific variable and
Okay.
go up till that variable. Yeah. We can use the attribute dot length. Yeah.
Attribute dot
Length.
length I plus plus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
And
this
then
thing we can do.
yeah, and then we can go for a attribute um, username dot send keys and delete.
And start.
So using arrow,
I know. I'm just proving that only. See. Arrow up, come to forward, then it started deleting one by one from starting. Okay, got my point. I don't have to specify first. You are saying correct. I'm not saying wrong. You are saying that means the entire length we have fetched, we have to specify the length first. Then we have to iterate up to 0, correct?
yeah,
But here what I did is I have done arrow up. That means if any value I'm entering here, arrow up I'll put means it will come forward. Then I'll start deleting from here. Okay.
yeah, got it.
And using backspace, how to do? See.
Arrow down, and then I equals to length, and
No, we don't
I
have to use arrow down or
I think I minus minus.
no. Why try minus minus?
I less than equal to attribute.
Mhm.
Just delete.
Correct. Not
Like
delete also.
the cursor will be in the last only.
It will not work. See, it is like this, no? If I'll delete, no, it will not work.
Backspace.
We'll go for backspace. That means like why I was saying that is if I am using like this, I'm using delete and I'm using another thing as backspace. Okay. Delete will work in this format. Backspace will work in this format. Clear? It's working.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Take down the programs.
Sir, can you stop here only so that we can take a screenshot?
Yeah, I have stopped here.
Okay,
Take
sorry, sir.
screenshots. That's only I'm saying. Just hold on. Yeah, take down the screenshots.
Sir, what just
Okay, sir.
happened in the get attribute program, sir?
Get attribute means
So actually you came back to this program again, sir. So we want to fetch the length of the characteristics, right, in the get attribute.
here I have written no. Just a minute. Attribute dot length I have used here to fetch the length. Okay, done. Completed.
So,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Sir, I couldn't join yesterday class, so will it be in the recording?
Yeah. You can get in the
Mhm.
recording.
On
Also,
YouTube, right?
Yeah. On YouTube, we'll get that.
and
Okay.
sir, if time permits, um, you are telling that attribute value will be added to that input, uh,
Attribute
that
value.
attribute.
Okay.
Yeah. So do we have option to see that in that as an attribute of that element?
I didn't get actually what you are saying.
Okay. You are telling that uh, if you have given a value in this text box,
Yeah.
if you give Sumi or some name,
Hmm.
so an attribute called value will be added to
Ah.
this
Yeah.
element. Okay.
So, sorry. Just a minute.
Yeah. If you're busy, you can show it later, if time
No,
permits.
not an issue. Like, see, this small doubts, no, it will be like that.
But this is you are adding, right?
See here. Have I
Mhm.
entered any text here? No.
No,
What I did here, you only see. See, we don't have any text here. Okay.
no.
Mhm.
What I did when we put any data in this text field, Internally in the HTML CSS, what happened? It store like this: value is equal to, then
Mhm.
C. You can find it is coming here or
Yes.
not. That
Yes.
means what happened when we use get attribute, with this attribute value, it is returning you the attribute value which is present.
Yeah, that I got. But if we you add this at value, an attribute called value, and you give that value for that value, right? So assuming
Yeah.
its attribute is attribute name and value. So attribute
Mhm.
name is value, and so my question is,
Mhm.
if you delete that and if you give Sumi in this text, in the
In
text
the
box,
text box. Yeah,
ah,
internally what happens, you can see in the page, okay, you
uh-huh.
can see in the page, but internally it is storing
Oh, okay,
somewhere. That my,
okay, uh-huh.
because if I'm entering data here, no,
Mm-hmm.
somewhere it is going and getting stored. Then
Okay,
it is
uh-huh, got.
working, or else it will not work.
Okay, uh-huh.
So internally it is storing like this. That's why when we are fetching with this value, no, we can get that. If
Mm-hmm,
internally
mm-hmm.
it is not storing, we can get that.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah,
why I showed you by entering the data manually in the HTML CSS.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
So, just last
Sir,
question. Which topic did you cover yesterday?
Sorry.
Which topic did you cover yesterday?
Entering datas into web element, clicking on datas, get text, get HTML tag. Up to this only.
Yesterday.
Yeah, I'm talking about yesterday only.
Not traversing?
With traversing. So,
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.